Hey, welcome to Day 10 JavaScript question. Today we will be solving allow one function call. The question says given a function fn, return a new function that is identical to the original function, but it ensures that the function is called only once. What does this mean? The first time the return function is called, it should return the result same as the fn, and on every subsequent call it is called, it should return undefined. So for example, we have an input function that takes 3 arguments and returns the sum of the 3 arguments, and on the first call we pass 1, 2 and 3. We get 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. And on the second call, no matter what input we pass, we get undefined because it ensures that the function is called only once. So how can we do this? One thing that for sure comes to our mind is that we need to keep track whether the function was called previously or not. We can't create a local variable in the function because it won't persist across the function calls. But from the concept of closures, we know that if we create a variable inside the parent function, the child function can use it across the function calls and it will be persisted. So let's start. We need to create this function which returns another function. So this will be the parent function and we can create a variable here. Let's call it called previously and set it false. In this function we check if it's not called previously, then we calculate the result by calling the original function by passing all the arguments, and we set called previously to true and return result. And if it is already called previously, we just return undefined. Now let's understand how this code is working. So this function we are creating will be called here, and the function we return from it is stored in a variable, and when we call this, it means we are calling our returned function, and it will take these args and it will have access to its parent function's variable so that we can check if the function was called previously or not. Now let's submit it, and it works. That's it. Thanks for watching. Follow for more such content. See ya.